So I'm going to cook something today, which I absolutely love, and the family love it, called Beef and Prune Tagine. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Now, I've got lean diced Scotch beef. It'll be okay. Lemons, pepper, a couple of onions, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, cumin, tomatoes, prunes, whole jar of honey. I think that's about it, and I'll put some water in as well. So I'm going to chop these up and prepare them, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. But basically, I'm going to bung it all into a pot with a bit of water and then cook it overnight, and then tomorrow we'll see how it goes. So I've just popped it all in the pot now. So the only thing I added extra that I didn't say about was I added a couple of potatoes and some pepper, and oh, actually I didn't put salt in either. So I just I put a couple of pints of water in too, and just now it should start marinating. Leave it for a few hours, and then I'm going to put it on tomorrow as well, and it should make a really nice smell in the house as well. And then we'll see what it tastes like tomorrow. Okay, so it's been sitting overnight, and I've left it on today. I added lemons as well. Just going to dip a bit of bread in. It smells amazing. The whole house smells amazing, by the way. My wife came down this morning and said, "Oh, can we have it for breakfast?" I was like, "No." And we just try it. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll get a bit more of that. That's lovely. Oh yeah. Can't wait to eat that later. That's gorgeous. So I'm going to get some pita breads, couscous, and then serve it out later. And you've got your own Moroccan beef and prune tagine. Oh, I haven't put the prunes in yet. I put that in last, because otherwise they all melt. But add that, and that gives it a nice bit of sweetness as well. And it's got a kind of sweet and soury kind of taste. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me just check it again to make sure it's not poisonous. It's gorgeous.